channel Learn with Fun. Myself Sumaya Belin. In my previous video, using this game tic-tac-toe, I have evaluated in a playway method the concept of types of triangle, whether the students have understood the concept or not. Today, using the same game, that is tic-tac-toe, we'll be understanding, or you can say we'll be evaluating the properties of triangle, but in a fun and interesting way. So, what are we waiting for? Let's zoom into today's game and see how properties of triangle in a fun way it can be explained. Let's open tic-tac-toe and see what questions are hidden here based on properties of triangle. So let's open it and find out the questions. Here there is blank and there is space for x and 0. So here a child has to place x or 0 if he gives the correct answer. So let's zoom into today's game. First one, it's time for the x1 to give the answer. Suppose he wants to place x here, so he has to give the correct answer based on properties of triangle. Here a triangle LMN is there and measurement of angle B is 60 and measure of angle N is 30. So using angle sum property, the child definitely knows that sum of all angle of a triangle has to be 180 degree. So 60 plus 30 is 90. So 180 minus 90, that measurement of angle L, or you can say that angle A has to measure how much? 90 degree. Yes, the answer is correct. So he will be able to place x here. Now similarly, it's time for the 0 to give the answer. So let's see where he wants to place 0 here. Now suppose a person wants to place 0 over here. So here in this triangle ABC is there and exterior angle ACD is asked how much it is. Now since you will observe here, a linear pair is formed over here. In linear pair concept, the child will be easily able to give the answer of measurement of angle ACD how much it is. So here linear pair forms 180 degree. So 180 minus 85, definitely he will say that angle ACD has to measure 95 degree. Is it 95? Yes, it is 95 degree. So the 0 will be placed over here. Similarly, let's go for the next one. Suppose a child who is taking x wants to write here. Here in triangle PQR, angle PRS is the exterior angle and exterior angle already it is given 100 degree. Angle P is given 70. They are asking you to find out the measurement of angle Q, how much it is. So here definitely by the property of exterior angle, he will be able to say 100 minus 70. He is going to get the answer here as 30 degree. So here angle Q has to be 30 degree. Yes, it is correct. So here X will be placed here. Now the 0. Now he knows that X is getting formed. So definitely he wants 0 over here. So, but before that he has to give the correct answer. Let's see what is the question written here. Name the smallest angle. Your sides are given and they are asking you the smallest angle. 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So using the properties of inequality of a scalene triangle, definitely he will say that 2 centimeter is the smallest side. So definitely this angle, that is angle Z, has to be the smallest angle. Yes, angle Z is the smallest angle. He gave the correct answer. So 0 will be placed over here. Now it's time for the x. Here definitely he will say that 0, he will think that 0 is getting formed here, so he wants to place x over here, but for that he has to give the correct answer. They are asking you exterior angle A, exterior angle B and exterior angle C total will be how much. We have done in one of the videos that the exterior angle total has to be 360 degree. So here when he says 360 degree, that is the correct answer. So here x will be placed here. Now let's move further. It's time for 0 to place. Now he knows x is getting formed here. Definitely he will place this part. Here in this it is given that in triangle PQR, angle PRS is the exterior angle and they are asking you the measurement of exterior angle. So definitely he will say that exterior angle will be how much? Sum of the remote interior angles. So 60 plus 40. 60 plus 40 is going to be 100. So thus exterior angle PRS will measure 100 degree. Is it right? Yes, it is right. So your 0 will be placed over here. Till now no one is the winner. Let's move further now. Now X wants to place, suppose he wants this position. So for this he has to give the correct answer. From the given measures of angle, find whether the triangle is possible. And the measurement of the angles are 70 degree, 50 degree and 65 degree. So now the child is simply going to add and find out how much is the total. 70 plus 50 plus 65, he is going to get 185. He or she knows that sum of all the measurement of the angle of a triangle has to be 180 degree. But here, according to this measurement given, it is more than 180 degree, that is 185 degree. So the child will simply says that a triangle will not be formed. Yes, it is not possible for the triangle to be formed since X gave the correct answer. So it's suppose X is going to place the position over here. Now it's time for the 0. Definitely the child will think that okay, X is getting formed, he wants to place 0 over here. But for that, the child with this has to give the correct answer. In this it is given triangle ABC and measurement of the angles are given 50 degree, 70 degree and 60 degree. From this measurement of the angle, he has to find out the longest side. So here actually the answer has to be 70 degree, opposite AC has to be greatest. But suppose this child gives the wrong answer. Suppose he says that BC is the longest side. So since this is wrong, so he cannot place 0 over here. So he has got this last chance, he has to place 0 over here. And the question will be, find whether the triangle is possible with the sides 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So here in this previous teaching aid, you might have known that how we have done 3 plus 1 is 4, but 4 is less than 5. So here a triangle will not be able to form. So here 0 can be placed over here, and definitely X, he will give the correct answer as the longest side is AC, and here X will be placed, and thus this X is a winner. So using this tic-tac-toe in a playway method, the properties of triangle can be evaluated. The students will be interested in playing the game, but actually teacher will evaluate whether all the concept of triangles and the properties of a triangle the child has understood or not. So students, isn't the game of tic-tac-toe very interesting? Like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next interesting and innovative videos. Thank you.